You're just making dinner, chopping an onion, and suddenly, you're sobbing. But here's the thing, the onion isn't sad, you're not sad, it's a chemical attack. And the onion planned it. We've all been there, tears streaming, nose running, wondering why a vegetable has this much power over your emotions. Spoiler, it's not your heart, it's chemistry.
An onion is not food. It's a survival machine. It grows underground, surrounded by worms, bacteria, and animals that want to eat it. So it evolved a defense system, a chemical trap. Inside every tiny onion cell, there are two ingredients kept separate, like a bomb with two chambers. Chamber 1, amino acid sulfoxide. Chamber 2, an enzyme called alliinase. The moment your knife slices through, crash, the cell walls rupture, the two chemicals mix, and they react instantly to create a volatile sulfur compound, a gas bomb. This gas is lighter than air. It floats up, straight into your eyes. Propaneth oxide. Your cornea has thousands of nerve endings, and this sulfur compound, it's basically pepper spray for your eyeball. Your brain panics. It thinks your eye is under attack, so it signals your lacrimal glands to flood your eye. These tiny faucets above your eyes. It's not sadness, it's a defense wash.
But why does it burn? That sulfur compound turns into sulfuric acid when it hits the water in your tears. Yes, acid. Your eye is literally trying to dilute acid. No wonder you're crying.
Hack number 1, freeze the onion. Cold temperatures slow the reaction. Less gas produced, less tears. Simple. Simple.
Hack 2. Use a sharp knife. A dull blade crushes cells, releasing more gas. A clean slice ruptures fewer cells. Think surgery, not demolition. Hack 3. Cut near a fan. The gas floats away from your face. Or cut under running water. Water dissolves it before it reaches your eyes.
Hack 4. Chew gum while cutting. Sounds crazy, right? But chewing forces you to breathe through your mouth. The gas gets drawn away from your eyes. Less direct hit.
Mind-blowing fact. Onions don't make you cry to be mean. They're trying to survive. That gas repels underground pests. You just have eyes that react to it. Worm versus defeated. The onion doesn't even know you exist.
I'm gonna show you 4 hacks to cut onions without crying. Chill them first, use a sharp knife, ventilate or run water, and chew gum. Onion 0, you won.